Very good morning, 9th class students. We completed statistics chapter. So today I am going to explain new chapter, that is quadrilaterals. Listen well. First of all, what is a quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is a closed polygon with 4 vertex and 4 edges and 4 sides. Here, ABCD is a quadrilateral. What is the area of the quadrilateral? Half into diagonal into sum of the perpendicular heights. If in a quadrilateral, one pair of lines are parallel, that is called a trapezium in quadrilateral. If one pair of opposite sides are parallel, that is called a trapezium. In trapezium, a quadrilateral with one pair of sides are parallel. So, parallelogram is also a quadrilateral. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral with one pair of sides are parallel. So trapezium is also a quadrilateral with one pair of sides are parallel. So in this A and B and C and D. So AB and CD are parallel lines. AD and BC non-parallel lines. Okay, now it has two parallel sides and two non-parallel sides. Trapezium has two parallel sides. AB and CD both are parallel, and AD and BC are non-parallel sides. In a trapezium, if non-parallel sides are equal, in trapezium, if non-parallel sides are equal, that is called isosceles trapezium. In trapezium, one pair of lines are parallel and another pair is non-parallel. If non-parallel sides are equal, that is called isosceles trapezium. If in a trapezium, one angle is 90, that is called right trapezium. So what are the types of trapezium? Trapezium, isosceles trapezium and also right trapezium. What is isosceles? If non-parallel sides are equal, that is called isosceles trapezium. If an angle is 90, that is called right trapezium. If in a quadrilateral, two pair of sides are parallel, that is called a parallelogram. See, in parallelogram, for example, let ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. Opposite sides are parallel. So AB and CD, next AD and BC, both are parallel. In trapezium, only one pair of sides are parallel. But here, two pair of sides are parallel and also equal. Length of the AB, length of the CD both are equal. Similarly, length of the AD and length of the BC both are equal. So in parallelogram, opposite sides are parallel and also equal. How we can write here? See, AB parallel to CD and also AB is equal to CD. Next, AD parallel to BC and also AD is equal to BC. Okay. Next, in parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. It means length of the AO, length of the CO both are equal. AO is equal to OC. Similarly, BO is equal to OD. BO is equal to OD. Then after, in parallelogram, diagonal divides that parallelogram into two congruent triangles. It means triangle ADC congruent to triangle ABC. Next, what is the area? Area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to what is the formula? Base into height. Height is nothing but the distance between two lines. It is nothing but BE is a perpendicular line. So base into height. If in a parallelogram each and every angle becomes 90, that is a rectangle. So every rectangle is a parallelogram, but a parallelogram not a rectangle. In a parallelogram, if each and every angle 90, that is called a rectangle. What is the conversion here? Every rectangle is a parallelogram, but a parallelogram not a rectangle. Every parallelogram is a trapezium, but a trapezium not a parallelogram. See here, rectangle is also a quadrilateral. Rectangle is also a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel and equal. Rectangle is also a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are equal and also parallel. So what we can write here? AB is equal to CD and AD is equal to BC. AB parallel to CD and also AD parallel to BC. Next, diagonals are equal. So length of the AC and length of the BD both are equal. Diagonals AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD. Next, diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. And each and every angle of rectangle is equal to 90 degrees. It means angle A is equal, angle B is equal, angle C is equal, angle D is equal to 90 degrees. In rectangle, opposite angles are equal. It means angle A is equal to angle C, angle B is equal to angle D. Adjacent angles are supplementary angles. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. What are the properties of rectangle? In rectangle, opposite sides are parallel and equal. Number 1, diagonals bisect each other. Number 2, diagonals are equal and each and every angle is equal to 90 degrees. So rectangle is nothing but a parallelogram. Rectangle is nothing but a parallelogram. Every rectangle is a parallelogram, but a parallelogram not a rectangle. That is the conversion between rectangle and also parallelogram. Why? Because in parallelogram opposite sides are equal and parallel. In rectangle also opposite sides are equal and parallel. But here in rectangle each and every angle is equal 90, but in parallelogram not like that. So because of that, every rectangle is a parallelogram, but a parallelogram not a rectangle. In rhombus, all four sides are equal. So in a rhombus, length of the four sides, that means AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. Next, diagonals are perpendicularly bisect each other. Diagonals perpendicularly bisect each other. So that's why AC perpendicular to BD. And what is the area to find rhombus? What is the formula to find the area of rhombus? Half into D1 into D2. So area of the rhombus is nothing but half of the product of diagonals. In square also, if in a rhombus each and every angle becomes 90, that is a square. So rhombus is also a rectangle. So rhombus is also a parallelogram, but a parallelogram not a rhombus. Okay, in rhombus all sides are equal. In square also all sides are equal. But if in a rhombus each and every angle 90, that is called a square. Square. In square, lengths of all sides are equal. It means AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. Next, diagonals equal and bisect each other. What we can write here? AD is equal to BC. Each and every angle is equal to 90 degrees. Angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degrees. And opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. And adjacent angles are supplementary angles. Adjacent angles are supplementary angles. If in a rhombus, adjacent sides are equal and also opposite sides are equal. But in square, adjacent sides are equal, opposite sides are equal. But in square, each and every angle equal to 90 degrees. Every square is a rectangle, but a rectangle not a square. Every square is a rhombus, but a rhombus not a square.